Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? It's me once again. I just wanted to do a review on this new circle light that I got from Amazon. It was about $70. It had a $10 coupon and it came fairly fast. I got Prime, so but this is how the box looks. Okay, I don't want to show you the other side because it has my address on it. Yeah, I don't need that, but it's a 19-inch ring light from IVIS. I guess that's two. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, this is the box it came in. So let's open her up.
Okay, quick reminder to you guys, please read the boxing because it says light stand is at the extreme bottom and they're not lying. So please do not cut the bottom of this. You see where the top, where the handle is, open that up, and please be careful with opening that up as well. So I would recommend using a box cutter or something. If you could just rip it open with your hands at the top, please do so, but don't cut the bottom because you're gonna mess up the light stand. Just had to put that disclaimer out there because when I had to like break this all the way open, it was literally at the bottom of this, so be careful. Okay, so once you Hulk smash the box, it comes like this. This is the light stand, and then it comes with the bag. So now we're gonna open up the bag and see what's in there. So once you open up the bag, don't mind my toes. Once you open up the bag, here is the 19-inch light, and then there's a box. So let's open up this box. So here what came in this little box here. So you have a bag, I'm guessing for the light stand, which is cool. Then you have the phone holder. You have iPad tablet holder. I'm guessing this also goes in there. I'm guessing that goes in there as well. Then you have a power cord. The other part of the power cord. You have a user manual. This is to sign up to be a product tester, which is awesome. It also is beneficial too because you have the warranty in the back, so definitely gonna hold on to that. And it also has directions on how to put this bad boy up in 2 different languages, so that's awesome. This is English, and I'm sure that, yeah, this language. All right, so let's try to put this bad boy up. These instructions are very self-explanatory. Yeah, so we got that. It only took me about maybe 2-3 minutes, so let's go on to the next one. So there really wasn't any directions on how to put the actual ring light onto the stand, so it's just really common sense. You just stick it on top of this piece, tighten this. Make sure you tighten this part because I hit my fucking head, like this fell over on me and I felt real stupid. So just make sure you tighten this and tighten this when you put it on here. Okay, cool. Okay, so for the power to, actually work, we have to put this in here. So let's do that. There we go. And it also, on this ring light, it has where you can buy, it doesn't come with it, but you can buy the batteries. So let's say you have to do something outside and they don't have a actual outlet. That's a pretty cool thing that it has in the back. So just to let you know. Okay, so this little bad boy, I'm glad I watched YouTube. I forgot her name, but I'll definitely put her thing in my description below. So this bad boy goes in wherever you want to put your device on this ring light. So you could do this side, this side, this side. So this little piece at the bottom slides into it. So let's do that. And bow. There you go. And then you do a little twist to it too, so it can be tight and snug in there. So I'm just gonna have it in the middle. And how I do my recording, I use my phone. So I'm not gonna use the iPad holder. I'm gonna use the phone holder. I'm actually gonna screw it in. So let's do that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So obviously I said I'm gonna use the phone holder to put it on here. I'm assuming because it has a screw like thing at the bottom, you put it on here and then we screw it in. So let me just see if I am correct. Yeah, give me one second. Okay, yes, I was correct. So you screw it and you can see it right there. To make this not wobbly, you just, this little lever thing right here, make that tight, and it ain't going nowhere, honey. It's not going nowhere. So, yeah, so now what we're gonna do is test the lighting. So I'm gonna show you how tall I have it. It's like my height right now, a little bit taller than me. I'm 5'9", so yeah, you can make it higher than this, but I don't need it that high. Alright, so I just plugged her in. So this is self-explanatory. If you're gonna use the batteries, you flick it that way. If you're gonna use the cord that plugs in the wall to the outlet, you're gonna flick it that way. So we're gonna flick it this way. It's already on. So okay, so we turned it on. Now, the thing that I love back here is, you know how especially if you're a vlogger or you do YouTube, TikTok, and your phone is about to die, it has a port right here. So you ain't gotta worry, girl. You do not have to worry. This ring light got you, girl. Okay, enough of that. This is for the dimness or the lightness that you want. So we're gonna play around with that. And then it has a little button. So, oh, the little button, it turns from soft to light. So depending on what you want, you do all of that back here. Okay, so I'm playing around with it as much as I can with you guys seeing it. I will have my face on it on one of my videos, but right now my hair is looking crazy. I just did a wash because I am about to do a video on a wig review that I just got. But I just wanted to show you guys, this thing is amazing. It gets bright. It gets so freaking bright. It gets very dark. It gets, oh my gosh, very bright. So we click it, and that's wow, it's amazing. So it's a lot. All right, so oh, there we go. So I just wanted to show you guys this new 19-inch ring light that I did get from Amazon. It's bomb.com compared to my little ring light that I would have to put on a dresser, and that's pretty good as well, but I needed something with more lighting, and this is perfect, especially for what I do. So I would say definitely purchase this. Definitely. So far so good. I love it. So stay tuned for my wig review and you'll see the lighting. Bye.